Good morning, students. Today we'll take up the topic causes of land and soil degradation. This means we are going to discuss about the reasons for the land degradation or the soil erosion. The major causes includes dumping of waste material from the mines, because the waste which comes from the mining regions, it is generally dumped in the open areas, leading to the poor quality soils, as the top layer of soil gets buried under the waste. Second reason is the dumping of the solid waste from urban centers. Generally, we have seen that the waste from the urban centers is disposed of by the municipal committee or any local authorities in the open grounds nearby the cities. The third reason is overgrazing, generally seen in the rural areas where animals are left in open grounds for grazing, which leads to the soil erosion and the removal of the grass cover, which leads to the exposure of the soil to erosion. The fourth reason is deforestation, which generally leads to loosening the soil and leading to the erosion. These pie diagrams, they are showing the major types and causes of soil degradation which are taking place in India. As we can see in the first one, the water erosion or the area eroded by water is 56% in India. The area which is eroded by the movement of the wind is 28%. Chemical degradation covers 12% and physical degradation covers 4%. The main reasons under the erosion are, 35% area is actually eroded because of overgrazing, 7% because of overuse of vegetation, and 30% because of deforestation. Industrial activity also leads to 1% of soil erosion, and 27% region in India is actually undergoing soil erosion or land degradation due to the wrong agricultural practices. There is a very vicious cycle of land degradation. As we can see, poverty, that means the poor people are living on the government lands. We find there are main reasons for poverty, which includes increase in population, reduced per capital land resources, inappropriate use of marginal land. These are all interrelated with each other. Then non-sustainable land management, that means poor utilization of land resources, land degradation, and reduced productivity, which again leads to poverty. So it causes a cycle of problems leading to the land degradation. Here you can visualize that soil is getting eroded in the area mainly because of the slope of the land and, as you can see, removal of the grass cover. The soil is exposed and is prone to erosion. This particular picture is showing the gully erosion. As we have seen that in some parts the water takes a linear flow and slowly keeps on degrading the land, leading to soil erosion. The deepening and widening of such gullies takes place, causing erosion in the larger areas. This is a desert region where movement of wind is causing the soil erosion. So, gully and sheet erosion by the running water and wind are causes of land degradation. Removal of the vegetation cover from the hillsides in other areas, plowing land up and down the hill, that is wrong agricultural practices, lead to land degradation, and accumulation of excess salts in irrigated lands, especially in parts of Punjab, Haryana and Western UP. This particular reason is the main cause of land degradation. Now, how to tackle the problem of erosion? This is an image which shows shelter belts. As you can see, rows of trees, they are grown. These rows of trees will reduce the speed of the wind and also check soil erosion. These are some of the causes of soil erosion. Wrong agricultural practices, I discussed already. Excessive use of groundwater, because that leads to drying down of the land. Excessive irrigation and waterlogging leads to salination of the land. Excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides, high floods, and the wind action in the semi-arid areas. Now we'll discuss the steps to prevent soil erosion and the land degradation. It will be just opposite to the causes, where deforestation is responsible for the land degradation. When we check deforestation, it will help us in checking the land degradation or soil erosion. Construction of check dams and bunds to prevent the spread of gully erosion can be done and leads to checking the gully erosion. Preservation of farmland through the correct agricultural practices, the right agricultural practices like the terrace farming, step farming, it can be done. Contour farming can be done to check soil erosion. This is one example of the check dam. As we can see, it will check the flow of water and reduce the erosion of the soil. Use of organic and biomanures can be done in place of the chemical fertilization, and use of biological control for pest can be done in place of the pesticides. This will also check the land degradation. There should be efficient management of water resources, because overutilization leads to drying down of the land. Efficient use of groundwater is required so that the natural supply of water to the soil can be maintained. Preservation of the pasture land by preventing the overgrazing is one of the very important aspects that we need to adopt today to check land degradation. Here we have some steps to check soil erosion in hilly areas, because hilly areas especially suffer from large scale soil erosion because of the slope of the land. So we must adopt right agricultural practices in these areas like contour plowing, creating shelter belts, controlled plowing, strip cropping, terrace farming, and crop rotation. These pictures are showing some of these measures. This is an image showing the contour plowing. This will check the downward slope, downward movement of the soil when the rain falls or when the wind moves. This is strip cropping, where different crops are grown in strips. This will also actually control the utilization of the minerals from the soil and check land degradation. This is another image showing the contour plowing. As you can see, it is a tea garden. Shelter belts can be created to check the movement of soil and the land degradation. And this photograph is showing terrace farming that is common in Himachal, and we know this is one of the best practices to check soil erosion. Thank you very much.